Next week, the Prevention Resource Center and Big Country Area Health Education Center are collaborating to combat the opioid crisis at a special symposium. Here to tell us more is Jack Jones. Thank you for joining us today. So let's talk about how this symposium came together and who is putting it on.
So the Prevention Resource Center was able to collaborate with the Big Country Area Health Education Center and kind of get together on how we can educate our public and our professionals.
And so what are some of the topics that will be discussed at this? Obviously, we know the opioid crisis is kind of getting out of control. So what can we learn if we come to this symposium?
Well, thankfully the symposium is going to be able to incorporate from prevention all the way through treatment and recovery. So we have topics like addressing our adolescents, we have topics justice system meets opioid use disorder, and also through to Dr. Martin, who's presenting on kind of medicated assisted treatment.
And you know, a lot of people are probably wondering, if my child is going through this, would this be something good to come to as a parent, maybe to get some ideas on how to help your child who may be battling an addiction?
Of course, the education that we're able to provide, we definitely want people to take it with them throughout the lifespan. So whether you're learning it for your adolescent or if you're learning for a family member.
This is also a chance for local providers to maybe get some certifications as well. So what kind of people will be there in that aspect?
So we're able to provide continuing education credits for TCOL, so for law enforcement officers. We're also looking to provide for LPCs, LCDCs, social works, LMFTs, and yeah.
And so how important do you think this symposium is? Obviously, it's something we see in the news every day, how readily available these opioids are to young children all the way through adults. So how important do you think this is to be putting it on in the big country?
This is definitely something that we're looking to target for the community itself. So I think it's definitely one of the greatest tools that we can give our community and our working professionals. Because like I said, we can take this all the way through throughout the lifespan.
And this is free to attend, but how do you get signed up and registered to make sure you have a spot there?
So you can search through eventbrite.com and look for Abilene area specifically, or collaborating to combat a crisis.
And where is this going to be taking place at, and what are the times for this?
So the times are going to be Tuesday and Wednesday, starting at 8 a.m. and finishing around 4 p.m. And it'll be at the Texas Tech University Health Science Center, their public health department.
And so you obviously mentioned a doctor that will be speaking, but who are some other speakers that you will have there to kind of give their experience on opioids?
So we have Lieutenant Brian Witt with the Department of Public Safety. We also have Lieutenant Craig Jordan from Abilene Police Department. We also have someone such as Chase Hargraves from Serenity House.
Okay, and one more time, explain to everyone how to get registered for this so they know.
Go to eventbrite.com, search for Collaborating to Combat a Crisis, or look in your Abilene area.
All right, well, we appreciate you coming on today and providing this for our community. If you want to come out for this symposium, it will be at the Texas Tech University Health Science Center on Tuesday, May 21st from 8 until 5 p.m. Admission is free, and we'll have a link where you can register along with this interview on our website, thecountryhomepage.com.